Hello, I'm Patrick Bateman, and you must be...
Yes. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
Is amplitude, frequency, velocity. Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. From a music perspective, that's a whole different dynamics. Right? So
now I was about to ask you, what is physics?
Like that, but Santana.
I was on a very successful TV show at night.
My wife also has, at her place.
We have shades. Shades in art now. Shades and light and color. Different shades of darkness. What is ambiguity? Ambiguity means indecisiveness.
Oh, wow.
Bead, but it permeates a certain smell.
Believe it or not, my pinky, which is just...
Manual mower. So imagine like a manual.
Speaking of tropical, what did you think of my role?
You're crying.
Well, I didn't cry.
Let me get this.
Love them. So that doesn't mean I love them enough to.
I don't know if it is. What was that?
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.